2020. You know, we're all talking about our vision being 2020 vision for this next decade. And you know, welcome to M.A.D for Mondays. I just want to give you that little tiny tweak for the year and share some non-verbal tips with you. What I've discovered that's really important is our bodies do change our minds. So if our shoulders were over, we're feeling slumped, next minute we're saying we're tired, or we're frustrated, or whatever it is that you might put into your body to feel. But the moment that we straighten everything up, we can change our mind and start to feel good. I've even flown 36 hours before and spoken for a day and actually not felt tired by the end of it because of what I'm telling myself. So our bodies change our minds. And what we understand is our mind can then change our behavior. So instead of being tired, saying we're tired, next minute we can change that behavior and put a spring in our step. And when we change our behavior, it changes our outcomes. And that's what it's all about, because we want to create win-wins for ourselves and for others. So this Monday and every Monday when you walk into that office, I want you to give yourself that little tweak in that body so that you can change your outcomes for the week too. Hope you've enjoyed this. Have a great 2020, and we'll be sharing lots of M.A.D for Mondays this year too. Speak soon.